Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mini Cooper window motor. First, you'll need to gather a few basic tools like a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and a new window motor. Begin by safely parking your Mini Cooper on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the repair process. This ensures your safety and protects the vehicle's electrical system. Before diving into the repair, it's crucial to properly diagnose the issue. Listen carefully when you press the window switch. A clicking sound might indicate a motor trying to work, or no sound at all could point to a power issue. Next, locate your Mini Cooper's fuse box and inspect the fuse for the power windows. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Finally, test the window switch itself using a multimeter to confirm it's sending power. Once you've confirmed the motor is the problem, it's time for replacement. Start by gently prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool, being careful not to damage any clips. With the panel off, you'll see the window motor attached to the window regulator. Disconnect the electrical connector and unbolt the old motor. Then, carefully position the new motor, secure it with bolts, and reattach the electrical connection. Ensure everything is snug. After installing the new motor, reconnect your car's battery. Test the window several times, moving it up and down completely to ensure smooth operation and proper alignment. If everything works as expected, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and screws are tightened. This final step ensures a professional finish. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.